Drivers behind the lines. Let's start this match in 3, 2, 1, go.
And round one, match one, underway in autonomous as the bots can score. 3 points for leaving their starting position. 7 points for scoring Coral on the top. 3 points for scoring it in the trough. And so on and so forth in autonomous. The first 15 seconds as we come off, it's 40-12 in favor of the Red Alliance. That's now 2 minutes and 15 seconds of controlled action by the human players. Under the sea, S4509, the Mechanical Bulls is at the reef, trying to score some coral. They've got it in their possession, raising their arm up, placing it on the lower level, but it falls off and back to the ocean floor. 1833, Team Ben placing it high across the top of the reef. That's worth 5 points as they knock some algae off of the reef. 4509 there again at the reef, raising their arm up, placing it, it falls again to the ocean floor as it's 65-16 in favor of the Red Alliance with 1:35 to go. 1833, Team Ben placing it on the middle row for 4. As 1771 places one high. 4509 again at the reef, trying to place that coral. It bounces off another piece and onto the ocean floor. It's 83-19 in favor of the Red Alliance right now. Remember, the winner of match one will move on to match number 7 and stay in the upper bracket. The one with the least amount of points in this match will move down to the lower match in 5, round 2. There goes 1771, launching that algae up and over the top of the barge onto the other side of the field. 1771 again with algae in their possession, launching it up over the barge. As 832, Oscar and Team Bean were dancing here on the ocean floor. 1833 collects that coral from the chute atop the ocean waves. As they drop it, it falls into the trough and then falls back down to the ocean floor. It's 103-29 with 32 seconds left to go in round one, match number 1 here at Gwinnett. 1771 now dancing with 832 as they try to get that coral from that coral station on the side. We're down to under 20 seconds now. The bots can either go towards the barge zone. They can pull themselves off the ocean floor with the cages anchored deep or shallow. As 1771 and 1833 look like they're going to do. 1771 up off the ocean floor along with 1833. Pulling themselves off the ocean floor with that deep anchored cage. That's the end of qualifying upper bracket round 1, match number 1. We'll wait for the fish to swim on the reef to tell us who the victor was in that match. All right, here we go. They're releasing the fish out onto the reef, and it looks like it's going to be repopulated by the Red Alliance fish with a score 140-40. 140-40. Alliance 1 stays in the upper bracket, moving over to match number 7 in round 2, while Alliance 8 moves down to the lower bracket to face off against the one with the least amount of score in this next match in match number 5.